Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing a tip on how to make a strap to secure a canteen or a canteen set in case they're missing a pouch. Here I have two different canteen sets that I want to secure, and as you can see they're both without a pouch. The strap that I'm about to show you is relatively easy to make, as it consists of only 3 parts, which are standard in size and can be easily found. In fact, you may even already have them at your home if you have an old backpack which you're not using anymore. And these parts are one 25mm strap with a length of 110 centimeters, one 25mm tri-glide buckle, and one 25mm side release buckle. This is how to construct the strap. So, this was all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.